The brain has two pals, left and right. Folds help store lots of ideas. More folds, more thinking. This little ball helps you balance and move. The brainstem connects the brain to the body. It's the superhighway.
Little brain. Color makes it happy. Pick your favorite shades.
Say them out loud. Left, cerebellum, brainstem. You're a brain explorer. Say them out left, cerebellum, brainstem. You're a brain explorer.
Little brain. Think and learn again and again. Brain thinks, brain plays, brain helps us every day. Cerebellum keeps us steady, brainstem shows the way.
Brain thinks, brain plays, brain helps us every day. Cerebellum keeps us steady, brainstem shows the way.
Watch more videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.